sail. I've got my feet.
What's going on? What's going on? How's everybody doing today? Today we had just dropped off that load that you seen in the last video. We just dropped that one off a few hours ago. Oh, excuse me. And been offered one load, but it wasn't worth it. Made a few phone calls. We actually got an okay load. It's that one we run a lot from LaGrange, Georgia to Dallas. It's I guess they go to a windmill place. I think that's what they do there. Windmills or something like that. Something to do with energy. Turbines, stuff like that. And we're fixing to go pick that one up. Picks up today, delivers tomorrow in Dallas, so we'll be on a good board. Pup, just say hello. You here to say hello. So we'll pick that one up and bring it over to Dallas for tomorrow morning. Kick that off. This place is pretty decent. We can head over there right away. They usually don't load a lot. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but it's nothing usually too heavy or too crazy. And we'll knock that out. We'll get to run across 20 right over to, because LaGrange just dropped down a little bit and get on 20. Go right across Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and right into Texas. So we're finishing up the pre-trip. It's starting to rain, and we'll get heading that way, get this load picked up. Might let the dogs out real quick because it's not raining too bad, and then we'll hit the road. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't do is feed these doggos and build this channel without your help. So please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this out with all your friends. You ready, pup? All right then. No, you're not ready? Well, we got to hit the road, Bubba. So let's do it.
In the water and it's cold, I've got my hammer on the nail. When I was a boy in New York City, I thought I'd ride the world with my thumb. The drinks would be cold, the girls pretty. I'd play a tune that everyone could hum. From debutantes to laborers and bums. I've got my eye on the highway. I've got my boat set to sail. I've got my feet in the water and it's cold. I've got my hammer on the nail. The freight trains, brickyards and gamblers, when I'm on the road, they're my guide. When I think of the miles that I've wandered and rambled, it makes me want to take another ride. With only my six-string at my side.
Good afternoon. We are loaded here in LaGrange and we're visiting ahead to DeSoto, Texas in the morning. Turned out to be a pretty good week. It's just tomorrow's Thursday, so we've got a chance of picking up a load tomorrow and delivering Friday, or picking up and also delivering Friday and picking up Friday and delivering on Sunday or Monday. So wish us luck. Thanks for being with us.
I've got my eye on the highway. I've got my boat set to sail. I've got my feet in the water and it's cold.
Alright, well, we just stopped at this QT and got some lunch. Had some barbecue mac and cheese. The wife had some regular mac and cheese.
Looks pretty delicious.
And a barbecue sandwich. and we're fixing to get back on the road and get out of here. So let's go. All right. Well, I've driven about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, looks like, and we got some time to kill. Need some onions. Here they're right there. Onions. Anybody want some onions? Anyways, we got some time to kill, so we are going to stop here at this Loves in Lake Mississippi and take a shower. I may also get fuel and potentially, I don't know, maybe some water if they got it. But for right now, we're just going to hang out for a second, take a shower, and then get back on the road. So appreciate ya. Let's go get clean. All right, y'all. Well, we stopped here in Louisiana, just across the border. First TA there. And we're going to hang out here for a little bit because we can't deliver early. Well, we can, but like it's like 8 o'clock we got to be there or whatever. We can't be there at like 1 o'clock in the morning. If we keep going right now, we're going to be there at like 2 o'clock in the morning. So we got to kill a little time still, but I'm done for the day. The wife's going to take over. And sorry, I'm looking at the dog behind the camera. And we'll catch you in the morning when we go to deliver this load. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for being here. We'll see you tomorrow. Well, good morning. Honestly, we didn't film any of the delivery. We've been there before. Y'all have seen it before. It was only 2 boxes. I pushed them to the back of the truck. They come out and grabbed them with a forklift real quick, in and out. We were there a total of like 8 minutes. So it really wasn't much to see or film or do anything. But I came 14 miles down, a little south of Dallas to this Loves. I didn't feel like staying anywhere in and around Dallas. It's just, you know, it's Dallas right now, early in the morning. But we found this Loves, and this is where we're at. I normally try to find places like this. I look on the map, the overview, and see if it's got grassy areas and stuff like that, just to let the dogs out and stuff like that. And so that's where we go. So anyways, we're here. We're done for the day. Well, not for the day, hopefully, but done with this load. And if we get anything, you'll see it on the next video. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. And we'll see you on the next one.
I've got my hammer on the nail. I've got my hammer on the nail.